Today on Stewart-Cox Family News. Let's dive into the chaos of Trump's first day in office and see the moves he'll make against TikTok. TikTok has become an integral part of our digital lives, with millions of users worldwide sharing their creativity and entertainment with the world. But, as we all know, with great power comes great responsibility, and Trump has vowed to take action against this social media giant on his first day in office. But what does this mean for TikTok, and more importantly, for its users? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's see the clip.
Welcome back, and thank you all for joining us here at Live Now from Fox on this Sunday. I'm your host, Carla Hara. I'd like to get to an update regarding the social media platform TikTok, which initiated a blackout late Saturday evening. A lot of reports coming in for the future of TikTok, but I'll bring you this. A post on X, courtesy of the Associated Press, saying breaking, TikTok says it's in the process of restoring service to users in the U.S., and thanked Trump, who pledged to sign an executive order after his inauguration. Speaking of the president-elect, we also have a statement here from him via Truth Social. It's up on your screen right now, and it says this, quote, "I'm asking companies not to let TikTok stay dark. I will issue an executive order on Monday to extend the period of time before the law's prohibitions take effect so that we can make a deal to protect our national security. The order will also confirm that there will be no liability for any company that helped keep TikTok from going dark before my order. Americans deserve to see our exciting inauguration on Monday, as well as other events and conversations." And also this post on X from a TikTok policy. So it's a little cut off, but I'll read it to you in full. It says, "In agreement with our service providers, TikTok is in the process of restoring service. We thank President Trump for providing the necessary clarity and assurance to our service providers that they will face no penalties providing TikTok to over 170 million Americans and allowing over 7 million small businesses to thrive. It's a strong stand for the First Amendment and against arbitrary censorship. We will work with President Trump on a long-term solution that keeps TikTok in the United States." So we have been reporting on this news for quite some time now, after we did learn of the Supreme Court upholding that ruling that it would ban TikTok. Several representatives putting forth that motion, saying that TikTok was a national security concern because it is owned by a China-based company. Now, it was not immediately clear whether TikTok was working as it did before the company instituted that blackout late Saturday. Some users reported that the app was working and TikTok's website appeared to be functioning for at least some users. However, the app remained unavailable to download on Apple's App Store. So really, that was the big news regarding the social media platform, with TikTok saying that it is in the process of restoring service to users in the United States after the popular video sharing platform went dark in response to a new law.